Do you know who composed that piece that you're practicing?
No. Who?
Me.
You will not be bored because I have arranged the full service for you. You're going to have a massage, a sauna, checkups with the doctor every single day.
My age, getting in shape is merely a waste of time.
Did you take a piss today?
4 drops. You?
The same, more or less.
More or less?
Less.
It must be a very good place to relax.
It's only a place to relax.
Are you still directing or composing, Maestro?
Oh, no, I'm retired.
Well, I'm sure you've not forgotten how it's done.
No. I haven't forgotten how it's done.
Laying in my bed, ceiling gazing.
I read on Wikipedia that you hung out with Stravinsky for a while when you were young.
Yes, I did.
Don't you miss your work?
I miss my wife.
You didn't know the first thing about my mother. She loved you, and so she forgave you. No matter what happened, she still wanted to be with you. But who were you? Who?
Outside my window tonight.
I lost the best years of my life. You say emotions are overrated, but that's bullshit. Emotions are all we've got.